Alright everybody, welcome back. This is a little video here of my homemade, cheap, and easy gold concentrated cleanup sluice. Not really sure what you call this. This is just going to separate a lot of the black sands from the gold to make it easier on getting your final product. And actually all this is a part of a light lens from the old fluorescent lighting that's like in schools and buildings and stuff. Just a piece of this with 5 just pieces of string and then tying it up, making it bow. And I have the garden hose here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the flow up a bit. And I'm not sure if you can see in this video or not, but there's a lot of little, I guess you'd call them dimples in there. And that works really great for separating the gold from the black sands. So let's get the water pumping and get some test material flowing. So let's get to it. Alright, we got the water running, flowing a little better. Let's get that out of here. It should be good enough. If not, I'll crank it up a little more. So let's go ahead and start pouring this stuff in here and see what we get. Let's start off slowly here. I see stuff floating down there. Just can't get it close up in there. I do see material floating. I do spot a piece of gold right there. We'll keep an eye on that. Actually, I see several pieces and lots of black sand right there to start. Let's go ahead and empty the rest of this in here. It's flowing. It's going all the way down to the end. A lot of little sands there. Some of them getting caught up. There's a lot of black sands and gold right there visible, right at the first couple inches. And I just see the sand or the gold dumping in it, staying right where it's supposed to, and all the black sand. Let's go ahead and feed the rest in. This looks to be successful already. I don't want to speak too soon though. Do apologize if you hear the people in the background yelling. Little party going on next door. Let's go ahead and keep an eye on this. This is looking really good. You can see here we got all our black sands and gold right there. It hasn't gone no more than a couple inches from where it was first dropped on. And all these light materials are just working their way out. This is very good. That's a very active exchange right there. And might be able to move the hose over a little. And yes, we can. Yes, we can. And the gold is not moving. The gold is stuck down in place and appears to not be going anywhere. So that's, I guess you'd say, successful. Got our tailing pile running, and it's actually running all the way off to the end. And this isn't really a high-speed flow on the water. However, it's just enough. So let's see if I can work the garden hose over that material and see if we can't just get left with the gold there. So let's get this a little more down if we can. Keep an eye on the gold, make sure nothing's moving. I don't believe any, yeah, there it is. It moved a little there. We're getting a little close. Maybe if I can move this in an angle a little higher, lifting it up back here, I can see the material starting to move a lot quicker. It's starting to all flow. Maybe I just needed a little bit more angle in my setup here. However, the gold, it has not moved. And you could probably even put you some colored sheet behind this to help you see your concentrates better. Just an ideal, maybe white or black. Probably not black, but maybe. Let's go ahead and hold this in an angle a little better. This is working very well. Very well. You can see the material is working its way down, and it's getting caught up down there. But as far as this gold, it is not budging unless I get the hose right up on it. So just keep the water flow down, and it looks to stay in place, even the little fine gold. And we can get it going in the angle and help wash some of the other material away. You can see it starting to build up, like I said, at the bottom there. So awesome. I'm going to go ahead and get this all off here with my gold guzzler bottle, and we'll do another weigh in after we dry it also. Okay, we'll get back with you. So far, so good. Very promising. I wish I had a lot more material to run, but Eventually I will, so we're definitely going to keep this one around. Maybe make a box for it and cut it into a long triangle or something. But very awesome. So let's get back with you with the final weigh-in. Make sure we have all our gold we started with, which was 0.36 grams. Alright, I just weighed in and it's 1/4 gram right on the nose, so I'm going to definitely blame that on a user error. However, it did work great. I did spill a little gold when I was trying to clean it out, but that's okay. You learn and you go. So what do you know? That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Appreciate it. Take care. Happy prospecting.